This is Fun at Automotive, and right now I am putting in the rear shocks for the Jeep Liberty, and they're pro comps from the Jku, so I had to do a little bit of fabrications, nothing serious at all, just pulling out bushings and swapping out bushings and all that to be able to go inside of these other shocks. They're pro comps, and I think they're for a 3-inch lift, I think. Let me turn you around and show you. Here they are, all nicely installed. Right now, I'm getting to the rear spring. I'm about to switch those out right now, and then take this, take this top spacer out, throw that away. I'm just gonna be keeping the bottom one because they say that the rear springs will give you 2.5 inches, as I stated before, and that is what I heard. And so that means if I throw this 2-inch underneath that, and of course an isolator, then we'll see how it all goes, but I'll let you guys see the rest of it whenever I'm done. Hey guys, right now I am trimming the springs and getting them all set and finished. Getting ready, just getting those cuts done. I've already got one spring installed. Let me show you right now. One spring is installed, ready to go. So I'm gonna get started on this other spring, as I already am, but I'll show you guys some of it. Guys, I'm finished doing the shock swap from the Jku to the KJ, and I even put the Jku Shocks on as well. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but let me turn this around and I'll show you. Alright, this is it, finished product. Jku spring, Jku shock. I still have the 2-inch spacer on here, and I threw an isolator on top to keep everything nice and still. But it's looking good so far. Everything looks good. Way better shocks, pro comps. I've been wanting to upgrade these for a while and get rid of my junky stock ones right here. These things are out, they suck. They were overextended. Every time I go over a speed bump, kunk, 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 they would overextend fully out because I've got 5 inches of lift already. So I will show you the height and everything when it is done. So let's get to it.